force of 450 and we have a distance of 4 feet. And so for angle theta, we're going to multiply that inverse tan and we're going to get the 45. So for joint A, we have a FAB going down and FAB going out with the 45 degrees. So for this mission of FY, we have 225 minus FAB sine 35. Since it is in y-axis, we're going to use the sine. And it is 225 because since we have a 450 force and the joint B is in the center, we're going to divide it by 2. So we have 225. So to simplify, we're going to have FAD equals 380.20 pounds. And this is compression. And so for the solution of Fx, FAB minus 380.20 times cos sine 45. Since we have the value of FAB, is it easier for us to get the FAB? So the FAB is equal to 225 pounds and it is tension. And so for the joint B, we have FAB